If you're going to be mounting the Stretchback pad to your headset, similar to this Sony MDR7506, it's a very simple and straightforward process. I've already removed the hang tag, and now I'm going to take the pads out and the instructions. Please be sure to read the instructions when you have a minute. Take your pads and then take these two inserts out as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one pad at a time. We're going to grab the headset, and what we're going to do is we're going to look in the rear here, and this is called a stretch retainer, and the stretch retainer is going to fit into that slot. Can you see what I'm doing with that slot? The retainer is going straight in, and I'm going to use my finger and carefully drag that retainer into the slot. And this takes some practice. I've done this many, many times. I don't expect you to be able to do this as quickly as I can, but it is a simple process, and you cannot damage the pad. It is virtually impossible. So once we get the retainer in there as good as we can, you'll see an exposed speaker or driver. Now, this insert is the portion that is going to protect that speaker from any debris getting in there. So all we need to do is push this inside. And now all we need to do is flatten out this protector. Make sure it's underneath the pad and over top of the speaker. And we are set. That is one pad install for Stretchback. The exact same thing goes for the other side, and you're good to go. Just make sure when you put these on, the relief cut needs to go up for your glasses. Thanks so much.